kumuno. Yamigama, oh kimono, oh gamana, oh kimono, come on, yeah, hey, 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 now, oh kimono. Please check out the time, just about 20 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon to you and welcome to the 2nd of December 2021. On we go. Even one any December is where you now for 2022, baby. We believing and trusting in God. Said the can obey. Or no, I shot the passing or the Belquay. Yeah. I think there's a song like that from who yeah. So, Mammy Zizi, walk all day. You be very fine. I was once again, good afternoon. I'm some more about OfieKwanso media. So, Muni Abema, Jerry Justice, Namotimi Kane, Papa Bill's wife, African, James Town, J. Cole, so ha. It's so come we dare not just say anyone aircraft. Now, and be a boy rem on Facebook now. Yeah, the videos of our time, our brother. But before we do that, I mean, come for Kel Kids toothpaste, man. Toothpaste, Papa, I have to a boss and come, Edia Ma, and Mofrano. 82 to 6 for no. Yeah, from Omunchu, I'm saying. Yeah, the strawberry, I want to come apart. It's your moody chum, say, I say, Mudito for the mood dead. And so, when the poem will protect your mogam and prevent a cavity. And Mama send you very strong and healthy with freshness all day. Samara company now by FDI Mushimuaja to me so how be anyway. Available on market, baby. Kel Kids, happy smile. And fast day, you're my earnest chemist. Or the air number 10 liver salt tire tree. Where did you not show us why it's charcoal? I said, behind it, me and digest near there. Oh boy, phone or no phone. And I cry, dear. And from a bina beach, no, my phone is a couple to Mount Sanka number 10 liver salt. A best sort out one time. Number 10 liver salt, a refreshing relief. Omukran Simon and stop cough. Stubborn cough be at it. Aya, Mount Sanka stop cough. Na etuna say. And then associated code Nikata Nina Ebeko. Stock cough range is suitable for adults, children, and babies. If symptoms persist after 3 days, please consult your doctor. Stop that cough with Stop Cough. Now imagine say wakoto bika krade be aduane adina watwa wanumu. Now we are san fro say wa wini akrade nti ye de ko Spain na wakọ akọji wani. Afi ye bo amane we yom so enya nko na ye de ko ye ne wo ne wo partner nyina. Hey sa ya ukodu Spain na unya kwanya timi boat cruise nya de wakobi city tours ye de wafa mu a what's a full La Liga match day experience at Camp Nou, Barcelona. Abusia, a Macassan in Yetente. Kokrum Sisia Nakoto, Gino Tomato. Unsi Omo so to be brave. Promo Max ne a promo pack no. And I feel Gino Max ne Gino Onion, Gino Pepper Nina, Gino Tomato, to Gino products. The patch I now wash share code be our pack na train no emu. Onsenya kasa code nipe. Now you phone now about *161 star. Now face our code no wabo twaso then wabo hash. Now I press send. Ebe load you points now when you Osan kotobi no nya another code na science the more points now we building more na wo benya akwanya so betimi awi ni bibi when you spin now crowd there are other fantastic prices be to say PS5s television sets, smartphones, refrigerators, gas cookers, washing machines, blenders, original La Liga jerseys, football, signed ball, caps, as well as airtime. There will be winners selected every 2 weeks, and winners will be announced on radio. And check our crown, and your friend terms and conditions. Said that me trust me more futu kakra de fire insurance ho here hu ya say dwumadie bia wudie bia no obe insure said e be ya obi ni mo kyena asem emu atorenchen bisia e betimi aboa wo eno nti na me kanfo Phoenix Insurance ema ono na wa share bo na odi ne bo share so or say you rise again when disaster strikes. You two claims in temper. Your policies endorse of fire insurance, motor, accident, marine insurance, engineering, and a few bonds and so you did more cut in the power. And able to meet your insurance policy at the fire and short code you so *389*79*. Now I feel prompt now. You best sort it out one time. Who be here any further assistance via patch of phrase 0302 246 319 and our phase 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Me pacho unyamba Facebook ana me twen brasesi ana fe yemfa videos of our time and share so. Tell Tigo Tugu Misu Promo no so koso and it is raining cash all over Ghana. Babia. Every hour, every day, every week, every month. Sikani Dregweni. Grand cash prize Nankasani 100,000 Ghana cedis. Just dial *500 hash while recharging with 5 cedis or more. Then you build points. I feel Airtel to go money. Use fire transactions and build more points. Sanso and our data bundles. You told Musa. Ne use ne build the point. Open so boost to your points now. Yeah, in daily SMS trivia, no foundation be answer simple questions. It costs only 30 pesos. Now building more points. We need so a number back up any they contact us. That's 0260 000 100. Any other number bia catch us say what we need bia or boy scam or dada. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. Kwesi de nyame Adom 3 p.m. sharp ye de mo kasa dwumadi ne bro. Ewa Adom 106.3 FM. Hosted by Pokuya 101 Afe Mike 2. Sponsors near Joy Industries, a Melina Children's Haven. Jehovah is my friend restaurant. And Afe Winborough Spicy Kebab. Ochese celebs pina be pass through. And there will be souvenirs near there no so no be betimi out there. And a special guest this week, you know, Ibrahim Opon Kwating, or no, a media specialist, justice sector support activity and executive director, Crime Check Foundation. Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 Concept. Yanawashem Society Amaye. Okay, Yanko Facebook. Unya my idea, do jaho. The patro Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. And that video na ye channel. Me who said I mean kanumpo. You see, sometimes obi betimi abeka na hia asem a kire. Unum say abrabo aye boy. Obia ni obia anase obia wo obia se edu de hia demu ana ho kire ba se den a osugu no so a onipa kono timi tie no na wa pekakra de ama no. Oh yes, obia was afo ni bi e wona brabo mu. Outings on their last resort into enya ba na ne ho na wo kro. Na mpempi no aya na kwakoye girlfriend sem ne boyfriend sem. Edun mi say o boyfriend we die. Kia ne ken ukosugu no so a ache so paso se den kro be pekakra ma. Ana sa o girlfriend we die timo omre. It is on chill pa na ukosugu no so a obepe kakra de ama. Abusua ene video yi aye behwe kire se dabi hwe wo ha aye de ho beto obi abesu ogu so especially in relationships. If you have it, if you don't have it, master, don't go kill yourself, because say ade na ene ho merry go round and I just say ye didn't na musa we esugu ni boyfriend so say me yes got to sort out one or two be na me solve problem bi no. Say chese sika ba bi efiba no. Boyfriend so akosuogu no so na ada girlfriend so. E no no age. Sa girlfriend so akosuogu no so ada boyfriend so. Sa video it is how share na beti ase. And the video no Jeko video we no momon kasa. Now the amount for conversation, the sort of lies and Crawford deceiving Crawford to get what they want from them. We are men kasa men papa biem. But so will be now bet me do it. But do baby na say anywhere bema forget nothing of baby na home. Because at the end of the day, at the end they call round. Now, on the other hand, video no say can be train bim. Na sa baby hono na me pese de ye asem wa di betu ho fo nei so. The video no say ka train no che say. De wo de wani ato no so say utwotwo mutwo no wakoma mutofe uwiase nyina no a che say ono e na one ne etwe empra kakra no. Say on fa onye hwe sa. Or one special one bizo baby. San special one no. Na ne ho pochecheche na okwa consulting out. You see, when you love someone so much, when you pan ba won che no be ka sem che wa uni bi kura che say even you have to kill for it kura now they akwa akoma na. What the be man no ni pa kron so titi no che obi ni ade and the person doesn't even seem to appreciate that effort now we put in getting whatever out the amano. But that same person also no ekon impra foforo ha no impra no mo be so ogun so I need this and this na the obeji or no the akwa komo no e dey wiase ni e wiase nyede check out the video eti jeko for video no to so me se bebre ma voice no emra said be your mo share on Facebook no ebete mo amuti already no so de enchechemu na mde amam na eno ano ba person o te dia ko Facebook o na wa o hwa na esan tie conversation na the conversation around it no san tie no so fa ka ho na obenya ho te asem etijeko
calm down
fretum na fe enko na
calm down
na no
na ready for I'm struggling
when you mfanye enyum ne nkomo kakra
you have to give it to me. What's that now? Small money you cannot give to someone. I'll walk out of this relationship.
It has not got into that point now. Abba, see, just give me small time like that. But first of all, let me just give you what I have now. Do you understand? When I give you what I have, you use that one to manage first. Before the end of this week, Allah, I'll give you the money complete.
How much do you have?
It's not even in naira. $100. Come on now, I'm baby. I'm a can. Just take this money, Before you change this money, you have enough money for yourself. Don't worry, now I'll be giving money in dollars, sir. I'm baby. I'm baby.
I'm waiting for the remaining one. No. Don't hug me too much, I beg you. Baby, what's up now?
Nothing's up, babe. Nothing's up. I'm not happy, babe.
Why now?
You're asking me why. What about the money that I asked you for?
Oh, the 100K you asked for.
Yes, no, yes.
I've not been able to raise everything.
Oh, no, babe. How do I cope? Like, check out now, like big boy like me. Now, how do I cope now? Should I be asking you all the time? What's up now?
Sorry, I just have $100. I've not been able to raise everything.
Look, I'll just give it to me. I'll manage it, but make sure you promise me like you're going to complete it.
I will.
Alright, baby, gotcha.
Smile for me now.
See that?
I hope you're here with the money.
Sweetie, relax now. I got you.
Why are you telling me to relax now? How long have I been asking for this money?
Baby, calm down. Don't worry. Okay, I got you. Smile now. Smile for me now. Alright. I got $100 with me. So just
Give it to me.
baby, calm down. Relax now. Smile for me now.
What am I supposed to do with this
Okay,
money?
don't worry. I got you. Like maybe.
If you
probably
do
before-
not complete this money by the end of this week,
Alright,
count me out of this relationship. Babe, I swear I've been trying my best to get this money. It has not been easy. And then that my silly boyfriend just gave me only $100. Look at me now. I promised to complete it by the end of this week.
Okay, give me the money.
Why are you behaving like this
See,
now?
by the end of this week,
I
don't give you money.
promise.
By the end of this week,
I promise, Joe.
just look at me, fresh
It's
boy. Like, what
okay.
am I doing?
It's okay.
What am I doing with
It's
$100?
okay. It's okay. Smile.
I'm just smiling because like,
What are you doing here?
just calm down. See, things are very hard. Okay, please just calm down. I've just got $400. Please, and I promise by the end of this week, I'm going to complete it. Please,
Can I have it?
I will take you shopping too. Please, I'll take you anywhere you want to go.
Let me just have it.
Babe, smile now. Please, okay.
Just 1 week, oh. You know I have things to do. I have things to do with money too. Please, Joe.
Please, it's fine. Okay.
It's okay. Babe, I'm talking to you.
You're disturbing me now. After you leave me alone now, let me just suffer in peace.
Calm
Abba.
down, babe. I've been able to raise $100. Please, just manage this one. I will raise something up within the week, please.
What am I supposed to use $100 to
Please,
do?
just manage this one. I'm in a hurry. I'm rushing to go back. I don't want my boyfriend to meet me here, please.
Okay, give me Joe.
Please. I will see you, please.
If you like, don't give me better money. Every time you be stingy with money. Wait. Let me even see how much this is. Huh? Is this not the same money I gave to Amaka? Ha! Hey, whoa! Hi! This life no balance. Try. Babe, calm down now. Abba, calm down. You know things are hard and I'm struggling.
You have to give me that money. Oh. You have to give it to me. What's that now? Small money you cannot give to someone. I'll walk out of this relationship. Oh.
It has not gotten to that point now. Abba, see, just give me small time like that. But first of all, let me just give you what I have now. Do you understand? When I give you what I have, you use that one to manage first. Before the end of this week, Allah, I'll give you the money completely.
Nano na me ka bibi akyerɛw say there's a new address in town. Oh yes, there's a new address in town. The Mitachi Palace Phones. The Mitachi Palace Phones. Ɛhɔ ɛna na ubora original Apple products ni nyina OGD free. Enti iPhones ne ho nneɛma ni nyina. The Mitachi Palace Phones. Ɛhɔ ɛna original. Nampa chotie. Ɛhɔ de otimi sɛ all other brands ni nyina no. Quality ones, original ones na kasa pa no. Ɛne ɛtɔn ho. yɛsan yɛ decoding, unlocking, repairs. Your repairs na you know, your repair or gadgets no with genuine accessories. Yes, all phones. Open laptop, papa and so abraho. Home appliances, I hope so no ubenya bio. Now what would route him away rubber before for a cry? Oh yes, your prices also da from papa. It is Sabri, I was December in with the only said then I'll be to be a chobi. And yet there be an abe shirt and singlet to Sanya dia. Any money and wasa there be. Bora the Mitachi Palace phones. Now edgy phones, papa be gadgets, papa be. First surprise will be this festive season. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. One is will be at any chair. Now or shopping for gadgets. It's as a whole any authentic, original. You know what I'm saying? Genuine, papa. Oh, hey, Jack, when you're coming from my circle, yeah, you need Vodafone and it didn't share anymore. Over phrase 0544 870 184 and now 020 906 1139. The Mitachi Palace phone. I say communication to the world. BBNia utmi etagin. Now your exciting giveaways are you bet me the amount between now and the 31st of December. Social media baby. The Mitachi Palace phones and one a handle no. The Mitachi Palace phones. Mitachi near MITACHY. The Mitachi Palace phones. Again and again. There's nothing too hard. Faithful is who he is. He sees and hears every prayer. And there's nothing he can't do. Tell them. Come on. Lion of Judah. Yeah. Me patro, what there's a say air course will criminal. Tasty twist with tasty Tom. Oh yes. At the full about criminal. Tasty twist with tasty Tom. Oh Ghana in Niania that day you know you need the day. Wouldn't say a coin fast why I prepare obi anymore. Say be a oya ngamo ye na enim process no ana wo ye jollof ye nim process no kwan be fa so abeya obetimi a jollof na wi but ne yes twist ne kakra on the me je opa chi emona nsa na obestand studio e kwan bi obefa so a process no obetimi a twist ne kakra na so obeye aduane na wi na be koso ai de kama no eno na ye hwehwe na ultimi ye ne sa na ye hwe waduan na mpa kwanim ye dia ubetimi awini up to 4,000 cedis. Any other amazing prices I was hwehwe dia baby. Tasty twist with tasty Tom. Tasty Tom for Adama and Omako for we Ediaba. It's in Patrol Koye social media pages now at Tasty Tom Ghana on Facebook and on Instagram as well. Now we're choosing from a number of recipes for your favorite Ghanaian meals, Papa Pan. Then you recreate any of those recipes. Now what mean you so baby need cash. So you go on and give it a try now. There is nothing Yan fast da Emma MTN real quick now for yan fa Jumedi and Kayan to us. Remember, Renfi and Chibia says Scott Betnas and I are around the world in 5 minutes at Braille. And it's all here on our Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, your own show, OfieKwanso. With me, Jerry Justice. Now, MTN said, Ne wakofa Ayoba Ediaba. Ayoba. A all-in-one app that lets you chat, call, share, play, pay, and then listen to music. All-in-one app for everyone. Yes, you heard me right. You can send money through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family, and friends. And also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You play games, you listen to music, and you do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. It's about call Google Play Store and App Store. Net download the Ayoba CCR AYOBA. Yes, Ayoba. Let me enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Remember, Ayoba is available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Wait, Mama Mary Ganza. Mommy, I just love her. I met her this afternoon and I was, hey, mommy. It is just a Sunday out here, you be like this all this way. Hey, this woman. Oh man, I love her. I love the way she carries herself, Charlie. Now, I'll show you who you come so far. Good afternoon to you, mommy. Good afternoon. My birthday is on the 5th of December. Since you don't come to work on Sundays, I want you to wish me before time. I love that. My name is Joyce Ansa, aka Mami Ama. And I've been blessed with one more year, which makes me 51. I live at Tema Community 5 behind Pentecost. And I am a seamstress who works around the old Aponchi Clinic. Thank you and may God bless you, Brad Jerry. And may God bless you too. I love your message, Pa. So a happy birthday to you in advance. Nyame on show. Na abra wedi 51 on my name ye den kwa na mra wasetrem de obeto wasum enye de ye de asem edi anije beba wabra bom kwa na rade memra wakwem why oma woni ye oma wasumdwi oma mpomden na oma we fie 51 ye ode ma won san ma 51 sa biem san kan ho e wo Yesu de. Enjoy your new age. Jerry, in fact, you are a very, very good man, Pa. Please. My greetings, Uncle Emma, Mr. Collins Newman, aka CNN, incoming National Treasurer, and Mr. John Buedu, Adrian Kesse, General Secretary, MPP. The Munkos Namo Yomuza. If you want to could do, Anna. You go to us. See the Omu ye crowd. Uboni ni die kura wo mo adwuma no ho kura ni akura firi ho. Ah, e dey ni. Amount for papa say agrofo looking up to you people. What me ko tramra she be dwom ye ne ma bi se wo ko council as for privileges committee. Mo fa me nko. Gumu hu ani mu as too much and no pese mi no bi on better studio. And I'm these people. Timpanifo mu a mo betna radio so to say Adom FM. Yan to adwen ne hwe kwan betimi afa so akekere o man hwe se mu mi no betna e kontokwa. We tuma. I'm so these people aren't they ashamed of what they are doing to themselves? And at the end of the day, they are from honorable members. Oh no. Sometimes I know my kumaya. Maybe answer me mean is our political. No me radio a friends me morning show who's that? What is this? Ancient cry. Bote on Facebook says, Jerry, what's the name of the song you are playing? The amiibo says here, Mama Americans and anymore friend ye ni adoy. And the one I played earlier, yes, is true. His name is Jesus. Oh. This one here says, Mr. Mensah, good afternoon. Please help me wish Cyrus Kwabna Inkum a happy birthday, though belated. You are truly a gift from God to us. May you enjoy every moment of this special day. From Mr. Frederick Asane Dufu, aka OD, CEO of Freedom Fashion Design, Bawe. Go to tier 106.3 FM. Tell them you can kind of end Chibia. Yeah, Ness Scott Betnas here around the world in 5 minutes, bro. But before we do that, joining me on Facebook. More share the Big Talent Show on Adom TV every Sunday 8:30 p.m. Mun say ye Victor Abayo Bako na free amount for no and as I'm on Tomano. She's here with me in the studio. Mother.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Nami Adom, I swear.
Miss Maria, not Eban saying I go back and say ye.
Oh. And actually, we are the minion.
So, oh,
so I'm seeing or no, so need to.
Oh, Yamine see no one's need to home. Said what can he we pa. Na so far no. Oko sa competition you know. Your cassette can be a fun one. Then pan I'll be to me for the Big Talent Show.
Oh, me that's so mommy sa privilege we. The Big Talent Show idea yes sonko. Me be mo no me ho nyema bebre ena me machine nyema bebre especially their every Thursday bia ye no say spell Mrs. spelling for way quiz no e ma me hu say festival ne hu konba mo say
just enema bia na wunnim kwa for my hu and they won nyina oh wow
and bisamia me hu aka say we
yeah that's nice na catch me as competition especially say Sunday e ba be do sa un say untimi nya ade ba akosa say de bia so timi sem kakra na wo ya ade say be so nkrofo no beto abama on ade aya na feeling this pressure be eba so I mean in preparing towards the competition aya na it saying
oh obia ne dia aya ofem for me per se me can say to the bia pressure no eba eto de visual normal especially die be yim no na me ni sa no na me ovi mu se sa da no ye nyime
ensubu ana
eba ni surprise
oh wow
yeah di menyame
okay enti obi be ka say from here then what's next they see when you ba program is we no na afi what film no they say den biem na o hwe anim kwan wo do abrabo ye
oh me hwe ni na ya di menyame say first mba be hwe nkomo na se na me kan ye ni na sida na ya di menyame
okay
na abani se no dia me makuma mu dia me we hwe ne se nyame mbie kwan ema me after this show no nyame mbie kwan ema me na say musicians for na o ma hwe Oma no mu se meto nyum no omo me support me se omo me boa me na me so de ewo me mu no minyimpie na amamen na omo
all right that's nice Kobe say yeah and am I no you matter film no
matter but there's a possibility of callback
there's a possibility of a callback yes. Oh okay
inti yeah omo supporting no cause one supporting no
okay
mo ti say yeah that was say vote ma onipa
o person san ba back
vote ma no
okay and matter man pipe bu me dey why na edu na say call back betimi afa wa san ba but matter dey na wa fi competition mu no obefe pa anu tinka onya na ka still ogu say a part of the competition
oh dia me fe pa na ye madam for na say ye na you ba together no na happiness bi wo mu ha menye ni je cause ba ko for de otna se a unye ni je sa na ba say ba ku mienu bi e kan ho a Emma feel happy. Bravo na onye nije, especially say da obeba show no so na onye nije na. Nipa ba ko bi wo mu a ono de me ka no pa me remfini de biara da. Ono ne size 2.
Wow.
Ono de obeye sa ma
was 3 by 4.
Was 3 by 4. One 3 crap enyo no. De obeye ma was 3 de obe 3 by 4.
All right.
So no na me fe no pa.
Okay. Martha Eda was say Kobe yes sorry so no. It's now no den ekọ amanfo nkoso nhwanim kwan in relation to the Big Talent Show.
Man can cha manfo nyina de ye de hona sepa de was support yen na the Big Talent Show. In fact yen mo yesusu yin wa abro yen do but ye de Nyankopon ase ye bompe mo bia de Nyankopon to wan kwam na wentum support yen de mo yen de bia. Say show no de wan record ko si de bia 8:30 or the at Sound TV hu na hwe. Na koda na vote ma o favorite contestant because obi abotuma ko. When you select him supposedly the best.
Sure.
You see obi abotuma ko obi aye on the level obi aye obi asubotuma ko. You see abetche one obi amanfo de obi ankoda no vote ma ne favorite contestant.
Okay.
Bibi abotuma see.
All right.
E good aye baby. The price is not ordered done. Last now over 50,000.
Whoa.
No, like
yeah.
So me obi kondo vote man contestant. No win.
All right. Yes, you're that's a pa. Usuti 106.3 Adom FM. This is NY Melody. Be My Love. I'm going to fast like a sema Jikokwa Coalpot. Jikokwa Coalpot. Papa. Number 1 modern charcoal, coalpot or stove. Now, when a trusted brand, our maker say they've sold over 1 million stoves in Africa and still counting. You use 50% less charcoal, it means you save money. It cooks on any surface and emits less smoke. And this other coalpots now, it cooks clean and burns with red hot flame. It just so say soko. You the identities we see are not being. Also, we are ya pack womb na so. A son so and we yasa the papa air boom and our fan be a sebe bet me no video and one ben edumajano. A diani be a person no piano, a ben one correct, a what Jikokwa Coalpot no eso. For any more bachelor total, Neko Jodie, Marina Mall. They are available. Evergreen Supermarket or Tema Community 1 of Tema Community 4. Holding now Kwabenyabi. Any other retail shops here in Accra. Ubo Room will Kumasia, Poku Trading. Where Doom Kwabenyabi and our favorite Thomas Moore, KJTR, Ubenyabi. And yes, our phrase 0547 007 077. That's 0547 007 077. Jikokwa or say top papa preko.
Who knows? I know that I really wanna get to rock your body. You know,
I know
that you really wanna get to rock your body. And I really want to.
And I really want to. And I really want to. And I really want to. And I really want to. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, come on. You know, love. You're gonna be my love. Come on, be my love. Oh, gonna be my love. Come on, come on, babe. Be my love. Woo. Yeah. Ta 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 ta. Hey, hey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time. Say about more than Nafi day around the world in 5 minutes at 12. So see, yeah, see, see. Let's go, y'all. See, see. Says Cots. Says Cots.
Jerry.
Bema Kwaba.
Yenua Brapini.
Now, what to say?
Yami Adom de Ake, ni check balance na hwe.
Yeah, with your balance in tiny.
And young as a tiny.
But ebeye ye.
Na sa wusu bibia bokwo de.
Adom ninti me ho ye pa.
Twediam for Nyankopon.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yan fast da no fama jinifu. Baby am ba me bon.
Say edini promo code.
Edini promo.
Ode onya e kwa says Scott.
Says Scott na se member.
Yeah, yeah.
On better so amount.
Yeah.
I'm out for so Freddy had dances with me call your materials. Eating but what they are not free one. What there? Opa, Saturday ya who coffee who come market akodi Nia wo feel say yet say cooking oil, rice, and mayonnaise, and milk, and sardine, and other product. For the cohort na kotu na fa begufi. Opa say we 2 tons so a kwan eda ho. Jenamano 0540 108 531 0540 108 531. Jennifer don't say me fie.
There.
Can I tell you something?
Go on, bro.
Bradery.
Yeah.
Don't end this year holding secrets. Please, kindly tell your girlfriend you will not marry her.
What's it?
Me say. Don't.
No, but wait. Have you done that yet?
I am not dating, so for me, I can.
Where you have you?
So maybe you both come.
Now, some way into over kind of saying also ending.
Me say.
Okay, give them the procedure, how to do it. Show them.
And one is what?
Cut what trans and what's
31st.
Okay.
Now what was happening? You see a fufu. Me person me this secret to be a beshim. It's no de unim. Our any day. Mean whatever. It's in a beya. Yen tribi sali yen queen. No man. So don't end this year holding secret. Tell your girlfriend you are not going to marry. If you are dating a firstborn, please, Bradery, hug them more often. Hey, who hear me? Say statement to you. Who hear me? Hug them very, very well. Bradery. Those people, they are mentally unstable because of responsibilities. Because of responsibility.
Okay.
Because the responsibilities not awesome. Into Mr. I now
okay.
Now
All right.
Some ladies will make sure their shoe match their bags, but find it difficult to let their attitude match their beauty. Minji. Ladies, never agree. Never agree to be anybody's second choice. You are not a polytechnic. You are not a polytechnic. Yes. If universities were to cut graduation down, according say, if you fail a course, if you fail a course, some people will graduate with crop top. I'm telling you. I'm telling you the fact. I'm telling you the fact.
Okay. Go ahead.
Now, when him say, Bradley, what go Germany down?
Yeah.
State Ben or I friend of
I say Germany almost state.
Oh, a yibi or their friend say
city and answer
him say I me information. Say indicate say strict in term person me bona me call order about what they
can na anti me call den tie bibia na minimum Bavaria I didn't the when you wash my name now.
Me can edini mode ni but me can some be si ho. Ebi was Bavaria.
Yeah. I dey.
Ewo Germany. Sa inti
abusia.
O check on.
Me call Bavaria or Germany.
Sa me can say wa komi bi sas. What? Na le kro bia na wa ko.
Bra.
Anamia na makreti kuro.
Me dey say one now kan.
Okay.
Yeah, there were Bavaria but one baby
Oh.
What I say?
Bavaria. I don't know where he.
Me the end me nim say wo Germany sir.
Sir.
There be.
Ebi no na American. Benny Germany oh. I would have never issue them.
Bavaria. Okay.
Bavaria.
To say okay to say be say Eastern region Abia baby omo there minim say the omo yen to say America is state say have regions it's okay everyone's almost so there no eno ne sa ne bi
yes
okay
into Bavaria yes.
Okay
when him say yachi cocaine less bia na cocaine no much that sika e da so no e be 2.7 million euros
o say
2.7 million euros
cocaine
me na mka kire cocaine and your cocaine intino the oh no I be you want scapa na that is
yeah
and yasam kitwa na yanko Zimbabwe hospital bi
Wouldn't say na o come Bavaria na madrian baby na sa bia uzo mo bia bio
Sa.
Eh, o bia bio. Bavaria bia.
Oh, da bi na se me de make up.
Oh, papa. It's na o kan. I'm afraid it's between us because we have. Oh yeah, there's a beer like that.
Oh, really?
I think that it's from Germany.
Oh no, I'm not talking.
Oh yes, they have it. There's a beer like that, pa.
Really? Yanko Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Now unim. Unim say in fact e be insuro Nyankopon. Hospital be home. Na baby a painful when every was maternity.
Yeah.
E bit me ebobra ho any omokoda. Etete wo mo afo so wo mo ana da. Me na me ka che obraje mi. Ena health ministry no. Oma be tudwa say sisi oma improve security no. Emu aye tare. Ba we sa sha woni impado. Enti du sisi ade. No so dey.
Anya bibia fa zuzu se. Asha woni.
Aya na normally emu ode ni o. Omo ma ko na ya bisa wo mo meme nko obi da bata omo ma ko na ya bisa wo
yo mate
omo chese omo tightening the security no it is here and there such thing will not come again.
All right,
ma me fa wonwie wo Nigeria ritualist for adoso Ogun State yache enipa mako 7 omo ya ritualist omo tonton enipa akwa meka akwa na parts womo tonton ema sisi ano womo achi wo brajewi me di besia. But before I make on, let me tell you something. You expect your boyfriend to be rich at 30 whilst your father is still at his 60s. Yes, still he poor. Adom. Sister, no. You are expecting your boyfriend to be rich at the age of 30. Opa paid the 60. What are you talking about?
But that's not to say my boyfriend is rich.
No, I'm not saying that. But Opa paid the 60. Now Opa boy and
said you are 1 year. It's not person me ma so said the uncle is.
We shall tell them oh man go ahead mama man the pressure.
Okay, yeah. Kawasa doko.
Yo. Dear wives, the silence you keep when you find money in your husband's pocket during laundry, kindly maintain the same when you find condom in their pocket.
Sir.
Okay. So who see ni man who skadia na wa yedin na wafa. Ti se who see na who condom nso ayedin na fa share no so fa so. Eti.
So we dey. Na anu adana. Ye event bi o asori.
Okay.
Omo ye cook off cooking competition bi. And I say me call MC. It was on a Saturday. And I'm who say why asesa niam I say washing bi be koso ni ade na me pese me share pemem and Pentecost men's
okay
ministry yeah cloth bi on my share na me two back a long sleeve, the back pam long sleeve now the back pam short sleeve inti na pese me share short sleeve no but na my shipping
okay
and I'm hangi wo na me hangi no a che na sen wo sa na se wo ni se mai so de ya na ya sen wo sa ti so yi bibia na ti happen am ba short one bi no so de akogu so na so me deb no ane she dan ye fibia be de je na me de kwaba okay and I'm fine I'm sure and I'm me dress for me pepe fi bi gu na me try come iti me two gan kakra na me kai say bossy belt me tracy belt say na me ye say na fa me ha no top pocket no no I say I chiche because I was what's there na me ball belt ni we na me de me sa share pocket me nko hwa 186 cedis and a share top pocket and I'm saying you there you go and I'm saying na cash we share sana it my insistence can measure di
come on fa ko well and go baby Ain't this
me transfer fee baby a sharo and the bar
very necessary. Very necessary. But Unim, did you know that I love you does not mean I will marry you?
I love you doesn't mean
I will
marry you. And then no crepa.
Oh, quite you mother. You feel probi KJB. Not just a woka.
No way, JB.
French in the Magajo says Javel
Capella.
Not just a what it said.
Still on Belbo, on share holiday. You better say the Visia cover.
Oh, so what you
ever any.
Oh, Baba.
Question me visa me.
So holiday.
Now holiday that you holiday about my mother.
There you.
Are you sure?
Holiday I am but two different phases. No.
Oh, but usually I come around on holidays. Ebu ame holidays meeting me time board on your side. I'm sorry, Kofi. But let's see how it goes. Let's go to Adom.
If you don't know my problem, shut up. If you don't know my worry, shut up. My staff will know the concern, shut up. So they your little, shut up. Kilo day, shut up.
Right, so coming up, Irrigated Sports.
I want to party, make
me on 106.3 FM. Meantime, this is Ohinewa. We shut up.
I want to lose all day. Send me the liquor. Send me the liquor.
Send me a liquor.
Give me a liquor.
Send me a liquor.
You don't know my story, so allow me to enjoy. Any much in a sense anyway. Maybe I'm my great time might come. If you don't hate me, now your problem will not be my own. If you don't hate me, now your problem will not be my own. Shut up, if you don't know my story. Shut up, if you don't know my world.
Shut up.
My staff will know the concern.
Shut up.
So they your lady. Shut up, kill it. Shut up, I don't want to trouble.
Walanyo in Akwetia says a glorious happy birthday. And comma chairman Alaji Baba Yakubu, also known as Alaji Baba Yankoro, Akwetia MPP constituency chairman.
Give me the liquor.
Pass me the liquor.
Yeah, Baba J and the and try you be your who will be and I am party day. We have to move and celebrate the pains away because today be holiday. Georgia, let me see the Georgia. And passion road, Georgia. 1, 2, 3, 4, Georgia. Yeah. If you don't know my problem, shut up. If you don't know my worry, shut up. My staff will know the concern, shut up. So they your little, shut up. Kilo day, shut up. I don't want to trouble. I want to party, make my worries all go away. I want to chill, I want to squeeze, I want to booze all day. Oh yeah, serve me the liquor. Serve me the liquor. Oh yeah.
Right, so like I said, NCBI, the Irrigated Sports, about Twaswama, about Adom 106.3 FM.
If you didn't
Meantime, in fact, shedding Emma, Madame Agnes Okran, Yadudona, a friend of Auntie Agi, ya, when ya, ni baby call, Nemba, Jane Okran, or London, Evelyn Aqua, one some women, Afe Alberta, or Dame, or Spinktess, Richard Aqua, or USA. Sansona Esther Ifawo USA and Frederick Akwanso Dan Suman Mama me Madame Agnes Okran ya do na friend Auntie Agi and we free me nyame adom a weekend and na yo baso e wo winiba enti efi o chena kwa de kusi Saturday e de to aso Sunday nyina no yo no baso e wo ye winiba e beba ne aba beta achiri full squad ebusuani na yaba winiba this weekend na yaba behwe na bibia so etimi akoyi yama abusuani nyina hyede nyame nka mo na onchechi mu nyina re.
I want to party, make my worries all go away. I want to chill, I want to squeeze, I want to
and Kobe Bia.
Cherry Justice.
Chikoko ya befu bidie puchi ya preko pewa my ganimu. Edi bidie wa hamwe bupendi yo numpene ye juma. Net se wakanso sa. Etumi no bibia so na empu husi. Edi jabi ne kono edi ane kama brain mukra. Say ya jollof. Banku. Ana edi ane si edin say. Chikoko anona kama na nentemonso. Net ye. Chikoko ya befu bidie puchi ya bepie mwagana ha. Sa upe dudu etu aton. Ana ata. Freye 0547 007 077. Tojeko kwa papanne ne sieska no aduane kraje show busia pomodi mokina na ji enkwa ye free sayim topopano
Mini mabusia de ya jeje ni nuane ko na boso gini sunflower cooking oil anwa wasonye free sunflower mu maduane che ya akono ade ba ko amepe wa gini anwa yi hone se maduane ye na gini mu a eyiyi baako ni nham kra ni kume no na me ya salad gini mayonnaise nko na me hia esanse e ma no ye tasty ya sanso wa gini milk e ye non dairy creamer gini sardine ene sardine amepepa esanse ubetime de aduane bia na se wunya didi wo dokona ubehunu se ye good right spaghetti inso ka Jimmy ebusiakuo ne ho. Ni senti be ka Jimmy ebusiakuo ne ho. Esanse Jimmy mafie ye de. Jimmy die ekoso fdi ade edwede nkrato ya to.
Okay, so we are back. And Pennyfo Bekasa na attention na fe ye irrigated atwaso.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. Papa. So listen to irrigated stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Safo Kum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other from within the Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There is no day minty irrigated because mitia manage na me stress
yeah. Stress so come on. Ofa.
The open program one Deni Hwam fast sports one tie irrigated sport Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mo. Kwame akwaba.
Kwakumeje oso.
Emponu mutu say.
Aja tempo anu de na anwemu an yete. Tunyan so yi ta ni jase abro puma kwa.
Bibia. Aja gwa akwaba.
Yadro.
Say ho ye de.
Oh, we try holiday there. And so adwuma dia kwa ne say holiday kura na je so oba. Ene ane hadwen. Na ba na mapontem makoda fi na matio. Edu
say
ya uyu nsa no pa.
Na manyin so
obeyi. Ntimi kaze unyi. Sa odo
manyin so
Fura mponsa no ne dada kidi ni no hono. Ana enwom na etu a ozinsa ana montambo. Da bia na kwe za mu gwa ya tu. Do holiday nsa na wadwen ba fie sa na sa nwom ne tum za na.
Me na ga che za ro. Me akwaba.
Yeah, ni akwaku.
Na all to say.
Oh, already I be. I be pa na do munti.
Openi I watch na bo na me fe pa o.
Mo du pa. Enti mani boss bi anam ka say asolite to them say
reflectors. Reflectors. We say JSS time na pa o boss I watch we be guess out.
I don't know we be. JSS dey no we be. I don't know ya cast you dey na.
Me dey be am ka wa
cast you dey.
Hey. Oh, that is it.
Yeah, many boss because me JSS time so I watch you.
Cast you dey na we be.
Chene say unyai de oka no. Ene de nye metro pempa bi na me hu we bia wo magazine numte na me bo modern ade apaso etwa ya na me de share letter mu say sata na me birthday na do so pa o say unya pempa afofo bia ono ne chedi e be 1 2 3 times na wa che say aha o die pe no wa che say o birthday e ba aha eti
me kakra o ma no na say
eti me ron tum na me twa we ne de share mu che ne say
twa de hen de share mu
watch we bia say me ron
obri fa watch ne kire kama
ja
previous
e bia no we grab e want to be abra
we be na pedi am ska meto be abra
previous letter mu no e na me ron che ne say me birthday no bane ade a me man date no tie na osan run by no so ontine then na me pen on my birthday na me twa we na di shame na so obda me we bi say
we bi
di we bi as
let the kokra na ntima sabe kan jam kra be na otumi
na otwe ya address
su media
now two countries be
be na Greece para na me time run pa
and so timi fa die nhim ne de so so ka
say eno no we na be wrong we no was so we are na ga na
so tron sem fu be na
ti fu be tro kakra bi so we asan bobo
na we are ta tro twam so dia
enema bi abese ko
tro twam a
enema abese ko pa
say let the part pa Awurade Nyankopon
ya say o
abani
yes ko na ni
yeah yes ko na ni ene ya wada
ben ja de oye no ben bella ki ansa also he bought it for 273 pesos.
What is this?
Watch those days.
I'm watching who way. Those days now, cause I
watch what way.
Wait, we turn Ghana here.
I'm not talking what you want to talk.
Me see me turn Ghana here. Me see do ko komlemla mention, do ko komlemla.
Abochi for you.
A circle.
Oh,
said you call a tiptoe lane horn. What's
abochi for you in a demo?
What original one? Your friend shock.
Original,
no as sports. Where you fake?
G shock.
Where
different company.
Original G shock.
There's nothing like G Sports watch.
Massa.
Where they how much are they?
G Sport.
Oh, and your we are original. Okay, Unso Kai and Appen and Cram the Genie Beckham. Original no sign and any G shock. Radio. That's what to say. A union piece of your piece of your radio piece. Radio piece.
A different branch.
That be original when a band kaka. Oh, say
also original. So who got top?
Watch way. I can put my $1 on it and your original.
Yes, I'm not going.
I am Tomorrow.
To Supara Canyon. I didn't reflect if I do so. Wait, a compass. A compass will move now.
Okay, Obruton is saying. I won't never be a original say fake. Because original I said the back is almost 2,504.
2 cities.
And that's also 22,000.
We see 2 cities.
I don't know how you please.
I don't want to say. You're born to say.
Because we did the land in Bremen. We don't tell them in Tadia. Osiamo airport akwano na we free din no
yanchi chope
radio wa brochire London Osiamo airport so bia ni ho bia
eya na kuku Spencer
kuku Spencer
oh okay
ono dey watch we ma say bia ni ho na so no ya da me dey no wine watch e bon
o check here na e ton say
we fi London na ba ma wie no
say o share net so ne ton say
anya bi ko na ball no mi ton bon ma dey ball no
who be say me dey ball who dey me so check here na boy say
ono dey on page ra kwan
ono dey so a cho say nyon net to
but nipa dey ma wo no who be say na ball
what of say friend
who be say wo dey na boy say e di say wo ko shi Toyota
no ma do se no
we ni say we
Rati.
Soon to 7 and the enemy separate. And I had dinner. Soon to 7.
At the side Japan for Toyota. That's what the Adeko America different from the Adeba Africa.
They do the end of the coin.
Where the Adeba Africa. I don't be a member Africa there.
Fake watch kwa kwa search with number kwa cha we.
Who say Edra Kaze? Who say ke banan kania be bra na ifredra. Driver no skebi o we ge bi on fa ma kon mo kania. Oko trip ba bi aba o to kania ba ko.
Tu ai say Edra ka no.
Ebe ya fa Blaster farm kania ni bi. Kaka krebi.
Na we nya kania o.
Bi o. Blaster di obi. Yomo kakra.
Aye kania.
Debi.
Onya yomo kakra the first one.
I say rosary na who the rosary mo still
no me see
Because 409.
Because we say one will be the trade. This kind of chance. So you watch our proud.
$409. Yes, of course.
We to say that.
And it'll be new watch you.
Kwaku. We try.
Go drink. You say go drink.
Now when you send your good.
Kwaku, watch when they say original dia.
Kwaku. We to say that. I won't can hear it. Say battery will be winter. Current.
I say you solar.
Kwaku,
we are born and can number.
Go. I send a picture be amount.
To once an hour of any yawada na yawandano. Minim di entia sa dano. It didn't say yano, a man for the rough zano. Man for you soon rough.
Yeah. A bit saying.
So Dananka said,
Ode a bit say abubuya.
Yapuno.
And obiso to say a committee. Say house of folk crown and make an amend person me bomudi am say yanum.
And as I
Anna ayase
ayase the second yabon
and na ayaka
de etwa ma ayaka yane.
You see, a dinner and Casano, Yawada, Yaudi, that Yadi will be a yaw.
Sir, in your basso,
and Canano Sabana, by Yawada,
when we were in the papa. Yeah,
a man and a man,
a man,
I know, dear, where we are, may I call you?
Okay.
Now, also, Kwame,
Okrasa would date in your check a name. Would date of birth, yet be a boy to name.
I thought the date of birth across someone that says, I'm your own book.
You know, if you're not the Kwame,
it's me date of birth, my less or more. But more the intimate will be my less.
Ah, Kwame. Now,
because I didn't say. Okay, so dating the mechanic says, I mean, the Kwame, yeah. So Kwame, I would rate me if you Kwame.
If you are the adult, no, Idianka Sankasabi or the Kwame free. Tinipano Susa, Kwame Furana, or Papa now, my
but I think the dinner the one day.
No, Timmy Bassa.
So we are Kwaku,
be message our dear Bamere, Wimpuano, Nana White. Also, be a boy is the reason why Ghana is experiencing doom so. Now, wasn't now one days.
I will come by Bishop Opim, so that
what you hear from Ghana have another notice.
Why do Ghana Basa Basa?
Yes, open so bois.
Gas or bois. Masa,
let me stop him. So,
the other cancer be a mention, you know, can you mention how not him sort here?
Let me count him.
Very sensitive. You me ba o can say BT o
can be opening crack no boy en kaso
let's clarify something about me ba no see say me ukoko be ka say yenum kanea menhia na opani ye ho no tena ba but we dey opani all kasa no na all pa kire say ehwa a e ma all campo ka say na program ba ho na wan kwa didi no
o say obafie and the obiri kan ye no correct
yesu
otufo e wo efie bebre sabio emanhia ho no enye ho na eni fie ankasa
but empower ho to me da ho
oh yes bibia ho
oye bibia ho
but o fie ni adan bebre o kuma tibeti ma say ne baby a first nana do kwa no kwede ayi ofa baby MTN for no so ishia so o say ni fie tibeti ma so o kra ni kanea
enti na me ka kira o say obi wo ho be ka so
na sa ho line no yedum kanea na e ka obi say na efeti wo o ampa
calendar for load shedding.
Yeah, I started last month.
but me ba if one enso me kasa e omo ka say there's a problem. Yeah, maybe I listen to that news no. Yeah.
So we know the cause.
It will cause a Kumasi for no encounter Kumantum na they are working around this on behavior no more officer issue. Indeed, a issue and case oh.
I mean, they are saying young for nothing.
I said Benato.
Is it okay? What was he say?
Also, can't you don't think on your own feel where the opening moment?
Me the white shirt on by the
the Abeto Jansen Valley View University student back on also a poison
on one casa. Oja note.
According to students, no, how much I say also we level 400 was this time, but causes in Buha where
what really
now or try say impending for Babuana or Trono.
There will be anti me wow. University what will be anti me wow.
And on some person make Kufia Jano.
And
so better more Bessa at Trodi. What you say?
Yeah, me know been a university and 2030.
Kwame, you beauty.
Yeah, beauty.
Denmark.
Yeah.
No say main man to na say a Thursday we na okan no no kre na when yafo no sex ne there
when papa when need you beauty say we are sex pa
eh
yeah okay so you so cute
Kwame
that cute for
ono asase Thursday boss o me dangerous pa
you call on the bit take you
energy wine
me pesa me kind pani dinami chat na me chat dinner ba
okay William what here Ashande regional national ECG yeah ministry baba Tofik
oh David
ana damwa damwa fi no buy
na poko ye ya no aba
okay the phone ni haka
me try say me kind oh young guy bi
ugusu a wo hwe
you dey enko anim
kwa ko minsa ka triangular genia Accra has a folk eba be ye
enya triangular o
triangle ne pa where we
we no okay we be hexagon
octagon we be octagon
you go for picture the two why is it So help map ni ya how the fuck is moving from A to B. What you say you A, how na ye Accra ye we. And you move yakọ B. Nanka ni papa mu ampa, I think it free A to B straight ni yakọ.
Anka hwe nanka musio.
I just say yakọ aha. Ya be se yakọ ha. Ya sa ba ha sa be.
Nti mun kwa first come from mutu kwa ko.
Enye crowd.
It's not the fault of Accra House of Folk.
House of Folk Kenya how many years?
110 years.
Obani tipi Mazembe, omankasa mo alupre. House of Folk.
And then we to we dey go copy so.
Players in first place same. Hey, who said you are
Daddy okay can cry.
Who said you players?
Me ni obi ampo.
Players even one side. Who said you
mo come to my home. What me ahome.
Na me play na me ti we mo kai mo ka.
All these things we are going through no it will not be for nothing. I trust the good God say I had how to folk. I did we
me announcement very quickly near to us. Therefore I come to here ISC one time no. Yeah the chat na to yeah Facebook what. Mo betimi about no ba be hwe. We plan na omo de fa so no. A chese wo ko benkum ko nifa ko beju kosro ba na for sa ansa wo ma ko du abi ko bobo no pacho e da Facebook o ezi ati wo betimi aba wo ba be hwe.
I'm on from Grand Camun.
Match near Sunday. Nim say, I so pass so by Sunday no. Now to foot in park so. I be see that's the most important thing.
You be empire
but Muko chinchin say na obi ko ti covid ya. Na mo ye ndey.
Na woni
say chinchin ba sa ya won chinchin. Na woni ko ti covid say.
Woni say council so.
If I say place a bit away from
I believe that players will be able to manage because I want to employ COVID. No, will be anti me.
Obi Upper House of Folk a leak. Also more COVID.
Oh, now
there will be a question.
No.
Germany. Local league. You have answer.
Buy players now. Ebi so omo.
You so omo. You so omo.
You be ana.
So COVID a china na na order house is here.
Omicron was one na abayi o. Obi say eti mu chinchin say
Omicron za han no no opeso obese no.
Abi Easter we dia.
Opeso ya busim say Easter.
No Omicron kra ba e be ko Easter.
Sister na who say bronya ne de be ya say di bronya na wi na fe die.
Almost 2 years ne kwa phone Easter de kwa. No Omicron kra ba e be ko Easter we de na ye sempa.
Ya na nka say ya weda na de ba.
Ye ni Easter di
ba. Mo say o me mo identity mu ni Easter nya musika ho na.
Na obi nkofo di ho mo we di ayi obira. Yes ko di ayi di awo say.
Na before.
There be Easter
Maza. Why ni Easter na gusu tin ko na hompe. Ya dey asem ni. Hwe no obi party awo ye hwe so de wakobu atopon mu sa.
Okoy
ofi akoy no. Atopon bi okobu party na.
E baba pani
akọ. Ya ka say na nka okoy kra nka kopẹ man.
Ka say ko no ma do say obi no ma do wi ya.
There be o ka ni akọ ka for bi say.
Akọ so obi ge mu twiri say.
Sumo obi ama na ba wa no o say. Woni na age sa na. O ba sa san.
Nyama ba say ere ho ana.
Na bi na samato wa say nyina ba bi mu ye mu bi sa.
Enra o bu ni mu say dua mi ken obi ge nso.
Body kai won. Sa akwada bi akọ no maduru say exams ho nti no. Agene crafty ni say. Hwe wo university now feeling so it can be very very stressful. The man ya ho ne say o fail course be this semester unless next year. Asana what me the same semester asana what me atro paper no. I no crowd me say fail. Your paper be etimi twe aso. Ana ayi bi so dey ba come hu say ade a wunim no. Unim. Me say maths say no. Medical ya di. Ana madam fu bi che me say oh yen ko beta. Kabinim kura kama. So if you want to say you onkonkon ho akosi ba bia me ko bia. Me nya ma dwen say say di no sabeka. Me fa me san ka bia ko zimewu. Me de no be ko wu. Say me dia group be kura mpono ahwa. Me nya F raised to the power 2.
Yes, some year remarking kura ahwa di na.
So kura me kwa ko
wanim.
Enti no me say school for eco school say. Unim say university system retia no. Wa kono yire wo ho. Na suya de pre.
Such situation say cry bi okupie mu a.
Esne chedo na dey. Expect na wa kan bo mu. Na dey situation ba ko.
Situation be say okupie mu a. And say we dey on because it's part of life.
Na me make some.
Wait. Adi bi on man. Ni entre boise. As of ba tra o ko.
Obi na we na fo bia na.
Ma ko tre. Na dey kan situation ba ko.
O na say na say dey o kan do be as say utimi
Kakuni one time by university.
Yes, you won't say Casana.
So we are university. And yet guaranteed so we are being yes. Meaning 2013. No mates what is here up to now. That's what testing the Kwame. Won't you be up to date from 2013 to now.
So you was signing in Ambosu.
You do my banner.
FM now card MC number.
Can you press Kwaku entino boy no and just go pray no the church say the next come to the next house there be o aba be wie akonya djuma kra na bi ko anya djuma why and the university so say e bi wo kwa lecture kra timi ka say kwala we manage and pass paper ida but the stories of that nature Kwaku me come to say yes to me bibi to ye nyamo ho say kwa we
enkanka ho ya na e ma na ho ko mari ho na wo anya no
Kwaku unti sa stories ni bi da wo school unti sa answer no
unim say
lecture bi say
unim say mama kan say mi jo Africana studies on na lecturer na no take in say aka was I think it was even the last semester or so ena na as otukwa no ko course be outside of the country and a new lecturer by or a young lady out me say abefo
so
now fine though but who say such people no oba class ana na enyo no so na what take you for that na students no on adwin say why is it a bi kakra and share students no be fan so na bibi just say too strict bi ni ade ena say mid semester I be no instead of the be transfer at paper no na organize event be on campus edenkophobia bar to lectures na adina through that the questions you ask and almost questions on baby sir answers are be money and no na or the be gina so e dey am but o participate no crown or marks are obenya from in say one bad there it will time what the question am oh madam time we are there dey akoshe there some of us in favor because o hwe say the movement ni ade adnet na tinko betimi ahu bibia straightforward now they will catch them my friend I have given out the instructions there's nothing I can do about it if you like come if you don't if you like don't come it means me and sen kachi no because no man say that the whole nipa now until be on me kwa ku hu na achi na and I do me refie timi hu ya na date na so say afi me na me wachi me ya me time me timi nko it later no kra no and I me ko hu ne o catch me say once am man there I should consider getting 0. Etunim amount for omo ekoye no omo atake no as their midsem e de anya omo marks ato dada e twen na end of the semester exams omo de ato aso no me the 0 and ko face end of semester exams no so what it just you see that thing it on pair by no ko obia all the time a minus b I feel they no ko buy ado Madam C.
Yeah, we want you see.
But now say unim. But ni na chikwa at least I graduated with first class honors. No, but no, me person me just and can you no that it.
You go there. Me can say adi a wo ye na dey esisu glonya si
don't the person just say if not for that who knows if you can commit to overall because I still even graduated with first class honors. And be cranka I come point because me GPA now me dey compare the onya overall best student in kra and can you see we kran ke betimi and so said on mafia me ho che me so those things no and also but e basa and no nche say it is the end of the world you know ko yesi so ko hete one na bisa
atowa that's how you clear free with
you and just how dream no cry in the first place
shouldn't come to your mind
was so o show hun cry because 23-year-old guy 23 years
23 years
23
oh
no 20 years
23
now saying Africa Soccer Zone patriotin Africa Soccer Zone most followed clubs on Twitter in West Africa list by Asante Kotoko na edikan with 485,000 Africa Soccer Zone.
Africa there.
Soccer Zone.
Africa ne man dey am tiny.
Has to focus on you know. No me 408k. Eba Enyimba FC of Nigeria and toso me ensa na omo maka toto aso a. Say make say ene ye
latest one.
Ranking fufuro bi so aba na akoko de hwe bekumako. Ni say IFSS4 ebe kan say Kotokoye Club of the Century. Up to now, you been to almost century no so ebi nyama say 100 years ago ye kan. It next 100 years we na na kwa say. No just. Ye du kwa ira, ye du kwa.
It is mukumi ana.
Na ye du kwa bia ye bi ni fu.
Cha wo so kan wo say ye tu kwa ye tu na tie ye man kasi kwa ya.
Ode say o jaso for me.
It is 100 years we be be na chepa for party ko na dey no mo dey makotoko. I want to be Club of the Century no. Na tie sisi ameka say sa ranking for Froya. E go for dia be ye internet be di mwamo. Ye bra.
No di bebem.
Omoye ranking no mo ye na African clubs no. Clubs of Africa omo de no. In fact, Ghana ye clubs no da brenye. Kumasi Asante Kotoko eba so a climb be 4 steps up. But Oshe Kotokokra na Ghana ha yenye PFS na em say you 31st. Oh, me say me bie ade na internet yi hardware. Kwa me say obitimi e bie ade ama me.
Ade.
Eba. Asa bie. Eba. O nyame ncha de we di aba. Kwakulesi no ha ma me nyanto wase na me mbo.
Wrong.
Emfama wo. Oshe Ghanaian clubs EPM a Kotoko a ebeda asoro no kra no oye 31st e Africa okay ka clubs na say omo di kan ma me mo omo di kan ne omo up to 5th position ohwemu a
Zamalek na
El Alifo no e di kan say de o kan 50 clubs no El Alifo no na e di kan e na mehwe
ade no ubie mi ana today
e bi unse story no omo aye whole story na hihye mi eti Ghana de no omo rank Kotoko 31st in Africa
and a house way
me pacho to bona mo achire pa
no one hope
meba enti ma me nchechire mu na hunu alali fo de di kan e na Mamelodi Sundowns e beto so second aha nti ko wanimu a Zamalek ano mo da second so ma bated e na Esperance enso so eba 4th na TV Mazembe eba 5th eti Kotoko 31st Ghana ye next club eba Kotoko ho no obani enye o 31st no
Ghana
ye next club eba ya eye closer to Kotoko ne Ashanti Gold ono ne ye
which position
5th
hey
oh David
and Ghana football enko years
enye
ansana House of Folk now House of Folk was 76 it's my drop ko 81st enye
emwa Ghana
enye eti Ghana clubs on say no ranking omo Kotoko 1
Ashgood second
2 House of Folk 3 Aduana 4th Mediema 5th Brekum Chelsea 6th Heart of Lions 7th Lagos City 8th New Odibiase 9th and Ebusuan Dwarfs 10th
na me na we nyam one because your league able to any sponsorship you see
me enye baby a say we won dey aka say you want penny e o bibia mu enye no nyia me but say
me no ball league last season na me J league no o say you want penny o bibia mu o ka wasam say kwaku
e na oji e no
asem wo ka e no money
oji e no agi league say wo Ghana
tipen na o kan dey last year league e boy mu obi mu no afi na e bo foforo no bi me na me J e di FA Cup e pem so
time na
Cup you want to any ba kokura o me gini mienu nyina
enti wo aban ni ambre budget won kan mo say 2020 no ade papa bia ni ho e ba Ghana ha enti wonte
Ghana budget ni
Kwame
enye ntini e ba gigi to dia be ade ni ye no
Kwame
bibi 2020 ade papa be na be kuruma enti cup no kura na mo gi ene cup yarefo
Kwame
o say ba na ko mo hu
o de dai boy o de o jai
kuruma
jai me ni o
boy ya boy ni pantimi ko ko ye chinchin go say
club say one
club mo di hu cup say nipa was stadium mo nyim yere say nipa was stadium na mutimi hye no ba ye nkonko hye dam ni chinchin microphone sa de won timi
first na ye league na
nipa pia ye nyina ye hwe ball ni bie no mutimi nye And I'm to go
saying first one for your way.
And I'm moving Siano.
You first one to Poku.
This season,
first one for your way.
Kwame, I said my Ekano. Yenye has ne kotoka 7 year count.
Asema Ghana football no
say council also dey.
Na Makasa ye.
Say ye no mo tam kra be 50 teams le same 50 adan. I don't know who's on
because I feel what you have to
over time. I could talk.
Okasama ye.
What do you it's the first day.
Okasa ye.
Let just say 50
wait research or ye nya bibia o he ma hands of folk.
110 years here. I was like about now what did you anymore.
But your place no play mu se si ameka say.
Obesi for.
Ani na mu wie.
Obesi.
You can akra.
Omo yes.
When empty.
When I got to.
Ntu de mo nkomra. I'm going to ask him to
I'm quick loan, so I'm Muntia.
Players not quick loan. I'm just for the what will get your radio so away? I read you can say, what will get your show? So open up when you know. Just on your
some above only man's watching. Yes, small bobby.
To say, I can say, Ghana South Africa manson. As I'm so
quite a quarter of 1
as I'm as if baby jet of Casimbi.
Let us go
as a Mecano. I saw for a trash on my
birthday. I did see an interview. My student, I didn't be live.
Wouldn't be.
Yeah, no. One Casano. And your journalist knows so you can be.
Yes, because
options over Castle.
Just all comment.
No comment.
Our comment. No comment.
Never.
Where Black Stars captain pay?
Yeah. Ghana have quite a fast way better was see a true dear when you want to know. And you also do.
But you have to say what you want to say.
Kwame,
you have to say what you want to say.
You better matter about the penalty refugee.
Some multimedia, any company, Sabe.
Your rules of engagement. You better money at train. On your interview as a blaster captain. Or individual, only the baby you have friend. How do you feel so no express here?
Scenario. Because oye multimedia.
I don't see anything wrong with that. Why not? Why not?
What you want to be feeling the
I see the guy went down too softly. That's not okay now. Or a footballer. That's it.
Not a soft.
That's it.
But the fact of the matter is, you need soft foul near hard foul elbow. You need be Kwame. Your friend is soft foul.
No,
and that's a hard foul.
No, it was a diplomatic expression. What somebody used was a diplomatic expression.
Football, you the man many expressions. You the man Semitia on a foul. Never so a foul. I know this description of the man in your foul.
But what I'm saying, as somebody one can say foul.
You don't create space for people to have something against you.
Oh, every pundit was talking about this. He's not the only person I'll count. All over the world. Everybody was talking about the penalty. Some say it was not a penalty. Others say it was a penalty.
And friend of soft.
And here 2 things. He does over say any penalty and I penalty.
But they are not bashing him because of the word soft he used. They are bashing him because he's a Ghanaian, and then they expect him to say it's a penalty. That is why they are bashing him.
Kwame.
And say Ghana man penny. What ye? When you say Ghana phobia ni pop bonnet for papa. Na Ghana man penny na ye ni didn't come a ECN and so na. You say na Ukron for whose man is Ghana for.
I mean, why? And it's not make a say against any be one. I mean, will be
crossfire.
Okay, that's what I
Ami gusu kasa for no gusu kasa.
Obi kasa. Wa kwato sa o ma me. Wo de wa dwere mu da.
Ma kwa ne ma me.
Ka unu so obi tu baby say adie
o ka ne ya. O ka ne ya. O so esa na o. O so o nya ne aginya nka bia ne o magi.
Yan fa se wo de wo yere ma me use wo yere.
Yes, I don't know. I'm here.
I don't know when you want one. I don't want to.
So be why? My message is the only biom.
Una ni mfana wale.
You wanna go say?
Uni mne da bra kan
wale. Oba ku fa setna ya.
Okay.
So na nkwana ati.
Nkwana mete.
Nkwana samba. Kwami. Enti se o yire a wona netie. Dama bia wa dwene mu da ho a o yire a wona netie. Wako kan tokwa bonten no. Unyina bonten wanka se wakosu anso kire ho. Da bia so ran tokwa tokwa.
Akosu da bia o ye me. No akoye bi o pipe ano. Ni ahwe me kwa se akosu da o ye.
Nka sa akosu aye wo.
Kanu krekeke.
Tie asema me ka no me se o yire ene obi anya ntokwa. Okoye. Ena o yire difo. Ye nyina ni oba nipa na nim nsa mu aye yire fo.
Ugo bua no we.
Fa ne bra fie.
Oba ba hwe fie wana.
Fa ne bra fie oba si akosu ya. Na de na o yes.
O de tokwa to penalty ni wana.
Dia mpesa me kire woni se we Black Stars captain pain.
Enti den
legend Emma Ghana.
Enti den.
He o tu free say o ko Uruguay there Suarez here. O tu say Uruguay for condemn is a national hero. Yes.
Na Suarez wanya boni bia o. Aye boni makana for keke.
You and I
wanya boni bia.
Woni mi anu nyanim say.
Aye football. Preventing the ball from entering the net.
Yes.
Wanya boni bia.
Na your offense
because it's an infringement.
Football no tie. Football no. Yemfa yensa enchi.
Nti ba je foul ne man red card. Yaji penalty ma yen.
Ena yesu yaji penalty ama yen. Ena me catch us Uruguay for no be no condemn Suarez.
Also obi no be condemn no. What we people be condemn no.
When I catch you.
Suarez no ye.
Betting can be because I say national hero. Unim. One to say national hero.
You are comparing apples to mangoes.
Enya apples to orange. Yeah. Enya apples to orange.
As a Wajan, you are talking as an individual. You are talking as an individual. Yes, only
obi akeko no antia South Africa for kai.
South Africa for the na mo ye dey.
Eti mo be ko pa say am ome.
Yempesa ko be
ko kontokwa na.
Why do you decide for the baby jet? Why do you want to decide for baby jet? Jet. What you say? Obi e bua o tia na o ba twa ma baby jet. So no ka sa twa ni enya adwuma na. Basel ka ni dia o.
Na dia
me ba risk be won ska ni jimi for da bia me ka sa say show so uni nyansa uni nyansa ah me de me ska ni jimi kwaku alati cruise aso buafu asema waja kan no
okay
me de me won ska ni a wajimi da me no dan first ka fo
eja asem ka yenko ani
uni nyansa nyanska
ipa ni bi ona na ska no obeto
yes obi beto
ka ono anko ade anka
etu mo bi ewo je ne japade real estate na odi jimi yes Canada
nyansa do
da bi ti enyanshi
no be sure
mami ka say bi John
if you are not wise you can be rich
Kwame
onya matches
ai mami mbram re na boy bia okay ago boy bia na we no school boy no he was coming from a very rich family na idriano na enko yesa me ba tie me ka
na obi a
tie ye ba school a ye pon a homework na e de amaye no ye pon class up na me guso te ho me nua na mo twa me ne yakofi no na me te classroom ho na me master te ansa homework no amano e woni homework book
oja de book no ko
oto twa me etime he me ye work ni na amano na ade kye a ode aba na ade kye oba school a enuane be ahodo oba miensa no ode ba na sika san ka no ho enti oba lunch time ye ko didi no me na ma san frame nuane mo aka ne akọ ono na aduane ye wi a sika na ode aba no wasan de ato sweet ni ade ice cream ni ade aguso so ansana na nim say boy no o we school onyi ya omo family business ono ya de share ni sa edu ono their friends o hia ohun bi da scan no beto e what I say but It says, oh, how be managing your money. Sikano
it's book not be different.
It is as now can there and yes, Obi Sikani be a chess on Nyansa. Obi was Sikano Betono. Oh,
once you are able to manage money, you are wise. Apart from school, we are business. Now, business grow. I cannot call you a fool. Yeah, think China is Canibino. And your house can be near Scania. What do you mean? What do you mean, Oscar? Oscar, what do you mean, Koyeska? And you know what Yansa Koyeska.
And yeah, bye. For Yansa, because yes, you can, right?
What Yansa for a brand new car?
Because yes, you can. And then walk up also come on and watch it. I am saying, I was and my proud sponsors now. You trust our baby. DBS Industries Limited. Or since say they free no, I had double or pay the gumbebre. It's free estimate amount. Now you assign a free installation, so I can add the amount. Not just a uni cry. Branabeji coloring plus roofing sheet TB now. Yama 20-year warranty against a fading. Come on, pa. Obefra 0240844444 and cry number no. Sapi my hodiano 050-600-4141. Now Kumase there be a hodiano 0302-906146. Kumase and 050-600-4141. Takradi 050-600-4242. Tamale 050-133-2897. And Asunyane 0541-913-243. Na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ kama paa na nso atumi abɔ dan no so Airtel Tigo tugu me so promo no so gu so a ɛkɔ so den fa ho gyimbidio na wobɛtumi adi cash. It is raining cash everywhere in Ghana. Yes, grand prize nankasa no 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, our cash we ɛbɛtumi ayɛ wodia they also ɛwɔ ya ne sɛ wobɛbɔ star 500 hash now I recharge with 5 cedis or more. Wakoso akasa na build the point and I feel so Airtel Tigo money fire transactions p na nya points more and our data bundles no so to na e use na no so build the points ko wanim sa so na pese u boost 2 points na in daily SMS trivia no between the one shimbi. It cost only 30 pesos. One answer simple questions more now one answer ni na just say cash na and answer points more na wunya what me the cash yeah you can want semi ebi we need only one number near the contact to that 0260 000 any other number be for so we need bibia scam Airtel Tigo life is simple as they do Elco Edama Kel Charcoal toothpaste yeah no Efi Samara Company Limited FD is where mushi mwaja to say yeah the anya bidi ya charcoal ya near the around kama who use amount enya good fresh breath whiter teeth na amount seno so very strong and healthy kama pa it prevent cavity stains here also subiano ni nyina ebeko Kel Charcoal toothpaste any account for the amount or market baby FD is where mushi mwaja to say yes them di kan Kel Charcoal toothpaste was a happy smile as they do from a Casa Preco Company Limited on also a Tayachi wa brand new walk catcher sebra na ebeto drinks ahodo nyina bia assorted ones na endu 1,000 packs na yencho 100 packs free emfa Tayachi we a promo chinchinchi goi pa ya de bro wow promotion pa ni nyina say if you sabi akopem the 31st of December or sa akonya no say obeto yen drinks ahodo bia say choco malt and access storm and na ebi kra na obetimi ato puma tamarind and na kra multi fruit ni bi and na kra na bi awake mineral water and na puma cola ode kikambo mu na endu 1,000 packs amunumu na na de 100 packs akama free of charge just like that na koso all our accredited key distributors across Ghana and our fake Casa Preco Depot or across Painters Kumasi Tanoso and our fate Chiman Ho and Tamale nyina ultimi my aswe out there friend 050-162-074 and our fee 050-156-2072 na train baby awo na train drinks now pe kambo mo do 1,000 na ya pack ku kan mu a na ya pack 100 packs no so the account the amount you be deliver the amount at your doorstep free of charge unto you for the delivery and no one share no na I know what say terms and conditions they can Casa Preco Company Limited or say a step beyond excellence. Your first day you ma in boost herbal mixture aka police in the drone police in the drone unya bi no a ebo yie pa e ma immune system no yɛ den eti yare pass e be wo ato de lalai ene omicron hwan ya ba na masa wontimi nya ofwai what I say eno ne imbus eba mixture aka police ne do no unya introduce edro into your system a call ni padua part ba bia ono ahu problem bia ho ba bia obe clear ni na de afiu ama na ho atimi ato Kings Walkabout Ekus Pharmacy Widama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable about shops across the country, and a health alert shop in St. John's, and also Bull Room, our Little George Health Shop, Watema Community 5. Ubenya Binyesa phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na do bia unye biano abusua yemfa ensomo. Will let properties and so economy any idea irrigated sports bro. And the ode ba na say reduction sales and a cost so e yen sase no eso ye reduce your prices ni nyina we a Christmas promotion ye de botaye sie ni say ansana ye bedi bronya wi e so to take advantage of the reduced prices down to etiminya a plot of land what you say ya tete so pa etiende Asutrai Junction ukura 6,000 cities abetimi anya asase ato e wo honom oh yes you more for pa places ni bi okura 4,000 cities go betimi anya asase wo yeah oba eye Tripoli airport city ho sika kuma bi obenya asase ato kama pa Apollonia ho nyina ya teten asase bi egu ho afenya Shy Hills ne ade a e ba de bi piem pram do wenya potem ho nyina ye won asase on mo ya teten kama e de mo manfo nti take advantage of the reduced price na fa beje e ya asase bi ansa na fi akwawie ye free site scenes e person be share site one one be hwe a be bia nsase no na ye nyo ka prekra ye do be kwa mo akohwe free of charge ene ye documents ama so wato asase no ye nka se tues ka ne ye krata se ma ni nyina so ye kan de ma free usika no mo anu a utua full price ne kra na utua bi ne eti asase no ma wa kakra na aka no spread them out e ma timi tutua kakra wallet properties pe ene ye ne se ye dia ma ye asase so de hodwo maso semia ni ho Abusian Chia Kwanwa Shaman Timber Market Roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road. Here been Bank of Africa. Uber Frey 0243 740 485 and after 020 230 9996. Not just say Yadinkomo and I'll be to me so 0244 756 984. Now on the well let properties Edinkomo afa ensasi ya yatete suwe ho na also wetimi enya bi e de abo bra na bibia akoyie e de ama also awutie Adom 106.3 FM, of course Ghana's #1 radio station. Yeah, twaso na yakoye nim
and Kobe and Kobe justice
More people are winning huge cash prizes, data and airtime in the Tuku Misu promo.
Eric Lutrat is my name and I just won 10,000 Ghana cedis on the Airtel Tigo Tuku Misu promo.
Medindi Abdullahi Bature, Mawini 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Ale, you won 15,000 Ghana cedis. Sapata de Bede.
Medebeto Cement.
Yeah, me hon sika kesi no menu supreme.
There you have it. Cash, data and airtime are being won every hour in the Tuku Misu promo. You too can be a lucky winner. The grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis could also be yours. Recharge 5 Ghana cedis or more. Dial *500# and start building up your points now to win big. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Semi sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E sin ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kale Charcoal toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o bidie wo kel charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC efita emana hoden ne sayi nka bia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA aji ejodi nka to ya tomo.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or young coupon, and your ready pedianimo somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabri bia, ya rientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't want dance yes, and Yarwa who run nipa and Nina etimi banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya within D and a home car. No, yamwa suing you know, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num imbusaba mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba mesa, a walk kaisi, and you may move bia your toe in row, at to form friend 0246 20 84 96. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Cratui Magia to Musay.
Adansifoɔ montie Supreme Concrete abepiem wa Accra.
Minimum blocks tradie peking crying yensea o
etwamo sɛ yɛde yensa pa etwa blocks. Supreme Concrete ne de adansifoɔ nyinaa agye atomo. Wɔtwa concrete products ahodoɔ, blocks, curbs, de yɛde road constructions, ne ready mix concrete we nyinaa no. Wɔde fasa automated computerized system yi mu ene twae.
Ace na blocks transfer na dam machines akɛseɛ so say.
Sharp and chia etwa blocks no bebre enti aboa no ba fam market price pepepe aya den na aya quality nso adansifo amawo Volta Eastern ne Central regions nyina wo behu Supreme Concrete nom factory wa Accra Shy Hills ya ne Chinese tomato factory no ene di hwe ne mu eben Cedar factory wo behu yen sales office was Pinterest Road DBS dan no mu anase Kumase ewo Kotwin Kransa ana yen sales officer ewo DBS Diane ewo dakodwom no mu frɛ 0201 801090 ana 0800 626262.
Sami no pa. Kel Charcoal toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. Emma me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifitei guso na mesre a. Eya wanwa hu. Me de Kel Charcoal toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Charcoal toothpaste. E boy sen ho ban e free mowa e boy sen mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Charcoal toothpaste insoni. Yete center for.
Me de ma Kel Charcoal toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o bidie wo Kel Charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC efita emana hoden ne sayi nka bia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel Charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA aji ejodi nka to ya tomo.
Time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Is no free stock.
Nipa na watching you when your points did all the match when no nako Spain promotion no yeah. Jackie apia.
Yay! Me ko Spain no.
Yeah, ko Spain no. Nipa do omoni omahokafo Eco Spain free no. Won so betimi aka ho bi. Eye ni je nko a. Wo betena insushemu. Na de we chinchin foso. Na wako ensahwe ewo Spain nkroponi mu. Afei so La Liga akensie no. Wo behwe bi live. If it yase ko sie wieye. Gino tomato mix, Gino pepper and onion, Gino Max and our promo packs no be our betono. Bemo akwenya would be Spain. We pack this on a shemu. Then your secret number was *161#. For secret number no etwaso. Never has key no kaho. And no na would be loaded points. No year promo ni mu. And you did kunim. And to quite free. Afeso. Now what you mean Ubenya Chedia bit to say TVs, PS5s, phones, fridges, gas cookers, washing machines, blenders, La Liga jerseys, footballs, caps, airtime, and in Kikahu Bebre. 80 Kawanum Nako Spain. Wonya points do bono. Now we couldn't be able so yakasia. Dumadi, Brad Gino promo packs Ruby Das Rojaso, Energina, Ensaya Damo.
Yeah, Cospeno!
My name is Mammy Neko.
Enkratui, FD Ajiatu.
Yanko Spain, I feed you, Yanko Spain.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal, and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A, and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport at 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
These days, for every one thing you're looking to buy, there are at least 5 options. But what if you had to make that one choice? The choice for quality home appliances with exceptional prices and unbelievable after-sales service. Whirlpool. At Whirlpool, we let the track record speak for itself. From Whirlpool built-in appliances, Whirlpool refrigerators, Whirlpool washing machines, Whirlpool ACs to Whirlpool kitchen appliances. Locate Whirlpool at La, Achimota, Spintex, Tamale, Kumasi, and Takrady. Call us today on 0302 778 126 for all your premium Whirlpool home appliances at unbelievable prices. Whirlpool, sensing the difference.
Affordable but quality building materials. Adansia Hunyama, Eya Papana Airfo. Do you need any flexible payment plan in order to get that dream house? Do you want litigation-free land to buy? Asasia Sembieni home. Do you want world-class interior or exterior decor? If you can't complete your house, you better swamau. And I bema busi more demo de sudino. Everything that comes with only that dream house. Worry no more, because the Love FM DBS Habitat Fair is here to solve all your housing needs. From construction, tailing, plumbing, roofing, painting, wiring, acquisition of litigation freelance, security, etc. We are bringing all the companies that deal in these materials to solve your housing needs. The Love FM DBS Habitat Fair is from Friday 3rd December to 5th December 2021 at the Kumasi City Mall at 8 a.m. sharp each day. The Love is Sure FM DBS Habitat Fair. Home ownership to buy or to build.
Let's go.
It's the Made in Ghana Fair 2021. It's the biggest and exciting fair in Ghana. Come witness the rich display of Ghanaian culture, products, music, and many more. Joy Prime brings to you the 5th edition of the Made in Ghana Fair from the Thursday 2nd to Sunday 5th December, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day at the Junction Mall, Nungwa Barrier. This year's fair will be packed with loads of activities and many other surprises. For more inquiries and information, please contact 055-630-4521 or 024031-9428. Remember to observe all the COVID-19 protocols when visiting the fair. This event is brought to you by Joy Prime, your ultimate experience, and powered by Hits 103.9 FM. Sponsored by EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. Go for your chance in Kulenu Palm Soup Base, Ghanaian original taste. Savida Bonre Kente, Kente Papa Pafie, Ghana Investment Promotion Center, GIPC, Grow in Ghana, and Go with Ghana. Obolo Soap, Oro and Maram, soaps and antiseptics from Delta Agro Limited. Media partners, Joy FM, Adom FM, Asempa FM, Inshira FM, Love FM.
I'm made in Ghana. I'm made in Ghana.
So, first morning in Dubai. Be ready. We are going jet skiing.
Well, next, we're water skiing.
Okay. We'll go dune bashing. Beat that.
Hiking and kayaking. How about that?
Then quad biking.
Theme park.
Zip lining.
Skydiving.
Great.
Think
we'll have time to rest?
You'd better keep up, boy.
Dubai is full of adventures. Book your trip at DubaiNowNow.com.
Drabe Mahine Nana Otuo Sribo II brings to a climax the 50th anniversary celebration of his installment. 3rd December, beautiful fireworks to herald the main event. 4th December, a grand number of chiefs. Nana and his invited guests of chiefs will sit in state and display our rich culture and royalty. Special guest of honor, His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, Otumfuo Setu II, and the President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, all happening at the Dubai Memorial Square. Kojo Enchi and Wendy Shea will fet guests with great music. Remember, 4th December, Nanotuo Sribo II holds a grand number of chiefs. Climax of the 50th anniversary celebration of his installment. Join the celebrations. COVID-19 safety protocols will be observed.
Your friends are getting money. You are so broke. El Kosuo Vodafone promo so. Sell credits keke. Nenya red coin. Afe mawosanka wochafa awo achadia hudwa. Esum what say 2 million Ghana cedis. Achadia ibinisika. Credits out the buyer cost. Any data. El Kosuo Vodafone. Me say udie dial *533#. And now call my Vodafone app nim. Now wosanka wachadia. For my Vodafone app and now Vodafone card stock credits. Nenya red coins ubruja. Anio 2 million Ghana cedis achadia hudwa ne twagu Vodafone so bronye. Fa wuji mubi. Uni obia freo. Obia ye wina. Kosu ojo. Kosu. Sheshe ye kakra down.
Vodafone.
Every December, Bosomi Ashase, Ekopim New Year 2022 no. Adom TV so ebeye enije nkwa. Yebeko swa ede ebewiase abrawo. Ejoda kopim yawada 3 p.m. My daughter Duga, ejoda kopim fiada 4 p.m. Till loved was a pet, ejoda kopim fiada 7 p.m. Bride of Beirut, ejoda kopim yawada 8 p.m. And a heart and soul, ejoda kopim yawada 9 p.m. Na afi edru bronya brenu mua achede ebebuso ewo Adom achede efiada 8 p.m. Yede after hours Christmas edition ebe brawo fiada 9 p.m. Memene danso eye ahosepe extra ebe boso ankasa na bronya sene ni nyina yebe yi ewo Comawood premieres kwesiada numere 7 p.m. Kayo ye launch and Stroma season 4 December yimo ebe ye butu na afei 9 lessons and carols idie eye fire kowe chikakra na ne kwakra no ye did the big talent show finals ashesha su bronye yimo ebusiafo December yimo de Adom TV so ebe ye de basa.
Drabe Mahine Nana Otuo Sribo II brings to a climax the 50th anniversary celebration of his installment. 3rd December, beautiful fireworks to herald the main event. 4th December, a grand number of chiefs. Nana and his invited guests of chiefs will sit in state and display our rich culture and royalty. Special guest of honor, His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, Otumfuo Setu II, and the President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, all happening at the Dubai Memorial Square. Kojo Enchi and Wendy Shea will fet guests with great music. Remember, 4th December, Nanotuo Sribo II holds a grand number of chiefs. Climax of the 50th anniversary celebration of his installment. Join the celebrations. COVID-19 safety protocols will be observed.
OfieKwanso, with me and Jerry.
Lumba. Living up in a Bermuda. Me pacho unyan download the Ayoba. Download it now. Oh, Emwaye de Bruta. Oh yes, AYOBA. Go Google Play Store and App Store and download this. See, I want to me enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Apple no also to me and you can even send money through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family and friends, and also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You play games, you listen to music, and do so much more in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba is available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. I'll say Jerry Nyami Adma Wednesday the 8th of December happens to be our third anniversary in marriage. Unto him be all the glory. Great you are fair and anyway bye. Abusia baby Edwin. Yeah, the fella. Twice so Eddie amount. I say what I say. Yeah, Mike. I say Nazare.
Bajari.
Yay.
And then no abrabanya colorful amam.
Hey, the man.
Exactly.
And I know
in your brightness no dos. You read December no.
Good.
No you busy Christmas.
Yeah.
Natural day in your menu you feel.
Definitely.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
See, me pade emam go ahead. Samam go ahead.
Oh, go. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. I'm going anyway. Yeah.
And then no. Yeah, and only Von Nelson. Bajari, we win the case be or court.
Yeah.
Na offer defamation who kakra. Na presenter be Munaguchi. Okakana sembi wan kani who there one found Fakwan Papado.
Yeah.
Hey, it's in the no masu moshaman ye. Naman kakama masu ensume kakra.
Yeah, say
Nancy and Yamana who Nesika 500,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey,
Rajari.
How do you?
Oh, yeah, some more ya titi because we should mind the emotions or the even if we are not it's not in your place to.
And you patrol by on Facebook where you see the pictures of Yvonne and then on Munaguchi.
Also a lawyer school of a
okay. Minimum, but I'm a no. Oh. But picture there was an issue with her this on time being a material near there. Me I na and my name be time follow near there. So
but I'm so most no ma swan ne menwan why and bibia me pede mo room na me
So she's the one who's going to pay that money to Yvonne Nelson.
To court there no sound so oba out. Na obe say sorry. No kabi the one ye. Nebo chase ka kan wona some sorry. Oh yeah.
So will.
Teacher and they no we should mind the way I can cough one answer.
Very important. Yeah, young queen.
Na year queen enemy. Whiskered on your terms. And there was a new be essence. Oh, new the we. I don't wanna the mamma to number them for me with banner. Oh yeah, oh sanum, oh yeah, our mamma chedo. Ne, the menumano, wabe high pa, ubiara budgeto, and I see no concert or yeah, wa brochure. Na, only lady will perform with stage door. The moon say video na. yes, or the Facebook page or they work on Nkofo.
If I try Mombra na share video na ka say that way.
Na onyina sawo na ehwa. Na I don't chorus no mu na wa man do be them. Na lady no yen ye read the meanings no. E wo go baka da onto them na ye kan nyamebo ho ehwa no e wo de oye wa man do na lady no. Ehu one time wa man do ehu oye the man ntami me hu say artist no walk stage one mind like 1 year small meeting be one who there okay ye ko stage ye be the me so agree to it ana fantastic ana
so this one happened at a recent O2 Arena event here
exactly let them sunu mu ye draw
maybe I'm thinking said the lady was like yo man I know you and you can't lift me. Let me play safe, you know what I mean?
But the way I watch you so in the Ibia will angles share the mass you. See boy a heavy girl.
Oh yeah, the girl got weight, you know what I mean?
Heavy the Mara, Amasum put them very heavy. Brajari. I will Mamon Chade. Most say you go.
So meeting me up cool.
Me a heavy.
Oh jai.
Mumu ya draw.
Oh, but I'm also
but then on some days, no, my shrink a
let's move on to our next story. Time now,
next story and last story.
Yeah.
Oh no, oh my part work a crack in it. You know, me come here, me give it a filler in it.
Yeah.
Into no filling in no in there. In the no. Binny man.
Yeah, man.
Minim say a can in your move to the right in the name of Jesus. Hey, shake that booty that Jesus gave you. In the
shake that booty in the name of the Lord.
Exactly. And also we're showing the full support was my Stone Boy.
Okay.
And I know you need some because we all know Binny Man.
Yeah.
We know in Rumberia we're producing as a na us in there.
Zagadat.
Bim concert your original bim concert was the support in our or Zerman.
Okay.
Today, in everything, spiritually or physically or whole business.
Okay. All right.
That's
good news.
Or that may a concert ni be ebes mechi ne come home spiritually and then emotionally and physically and then everything.
For traumatic, why?
Into Mosharu.
You, I see no bye. I was just saying that in Kano, yes, or the fella at rain. Now, your first song, Asidano Emma Vodafone. Your first one, Nasiano Maya Vodafone. Vodafone saying, can't you say all SIM cards, say, registering with only the Ghana card. Into Ghana card, no any available. Call the nearest NIA office and get yours. On second penal about *404# what follow prompt you'll be required to provide side details way from your Ghana card, the Ghana card pin, your surname, your first name or first names, and then date of birth and agenda. A code be beba on senya cancer code ni pe fa no echo the nearest mobile network operator na say agent na customer care center you take you biometric details then count na say I solid o kwa ya fa digital address no so e kan ho ko why we here e chichim be fetch we ho ana bibi chi wadwen send a message for call 655 on Vodafone and yes our friend National Communications Authority toll free line 0800 110 622 and Kratwe Vodafone Adama and our day every Vodafone together we can. And this is the brand new joint from J Ice. He called this one Sunshine.
Yeah. My sunshine, my sunshine. But don't know what to me, no. Come to me, girl, waste no time. You be my sunshine, yeah. Cause you my sunshine, yeah. Cause you my sunshine, yeah. My Cinderella, oh, Tina, me see my rocky bella. Come to me, babe, make a chop with dollar. Anything you want, baby, talk to dada. Baby.
Happy birthday, Uncle Abigail. Oh, I sing for you. And an old student of our EMS. Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity from Franca. Abusia ya fantry ha na ya fa nwume no nsia kase bon to aso nyame ya Adom na ode ochina echen ya holiday e be hwe de be see, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's right, yo.